What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be about my 5-minute tech review. There's something new I brought on my channel. So now I'm bringing it right back to you. Now, today's product was sent to me by Godox. It is their MoveLink M2 product, their wireless mic system. That is a direct competitor to the Rode system. Yes, I do know that DJI just brunk out theirs not too long ago, probably about a few days ago or weeks whenever I post this, but they just brung it out, putting their foot in the audio game now as well. So therefore, there's 3 companies now that has audio wireless systems for you. Now, like I said, the Godox has been out for a very long time. And I won't say a very long time, but I'll say probably about 3 or 4 months. And it's a direct competitor to the Rode system. So let's just go ahead and get right into this unboxing right now. And I'm going to explain to you right now. So this is the box right here. This is what it comes in. Open it up. Just show you the box real quick. Really nice packaging. It came in there real nice and packed, but I already took everything out. So therefore, let's just go ahead and get right into this. Now, it comes with 2 dead cats. It comes with 2 live mics. I absolutely love live mics because that's what I use. That's what I like to use. And like, once again, I have used the Rode systems, and I just don't like clipping those things up there because it's kind of, I don't know, it just annoys me. And I just like lavalier mics, to be honest with you. So I like this, that it comes with this. Once again, this system is only for $199. So comes with some USB cables. You see right here, USB cables. Little drawstring thing right here. Pretty neat. All right, now the 2 cables. Now, I'm gonna tell you, when this got sent out to me, I read the manual and I went out and did my shoot, and what happened was I went and did the shoot, came back, and I looked at my footage and it told me I didn't have no sound. I was like, what the hell is going on? Well, long story short is that the red one is meant for smartphones and the black one is meant for mirrorless cameras. Yes, I was tricked. It did not say it in the manual. It just tells you that there's 2 cables, but don't tell you that the red one is, it doesn't tell you. So I like what Godox have put in their manual, that it specifically says the red one is meant for your smartphone and the black one is meant for mirrorless camera. Just say the red is what's called. Like, it has everything in the manual. It's just that it don't tell you which color is which. So I went out there, messed it up, and had some wrong footage, but it's all good. But the red one's meant for the smartphone, and this is for your camera. And it comes with these magnetized strip. Yes, I know that DJI just came out with theirs, but Godox was here first because they did that a few months ago. So Godox was here first with the mag strips. And now these are pretty neat. So let's just go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of things. Now, the carrying case. I absolutely love this carrying case. It keeps everything nice and protected. Once again, the Rode does not come with no carrying case. You can buy one aftermarket, but that's just more money that you're already spending on top of the $300 that you already spent to get the daggone system. And once again, this is also a charging one, so let me put it up there. It charges USB Type-C, once again, what's this cable right here. So it all charges all together, so this is absolutely pretty neat. Like I said, it's a nice hard carrying case. It's pretty hard, it's pretty neat. You know, it's going to protect your stuff. So here we are. Now here are the systems. Like I said, they're a little bit, probably almost about the same size as the Rode Go systems. They're almost at the same size. You know, this is the receiver and the 2 transmitters right here. So there's 2 transmitters. Go ahead and show these up. You see them right there with the mics on, and of course a little spot where you plug in your lavalier mics. I'm gonna turn them both to the side there. As you can see, got the power button on, and then it has a USB Type-C because you can charge these individually as well. Got a power button, and then it has a mute button. So this is the way how you be able to mute it. And that's pretty much about it. Then on the back of it, just the back with a little clip, and there's the front of it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the receiver. Here it is right here. Show you the top of it. Once again, it tells you exactly where you need to put it at, which needs to go what. On the side, it has a power button with the USB-C Type-C as well, the power button, and the up and down. The only way you can cut down the the transmitter is by the receiver. So it doesn't have it on the absolute transmitter, so you have to do it by the receiver. So, which is fine with me. Like I said, once you can set up, once done. Like I said, I noticed I had to turn down because I shoot with the A7. Not A7, but I do shoot with the A6300, and it was coming in a little bit too hot, so I did have to cut down my mics, and that kind of worked out for me. I'm still kind of tweaking with that, but Once again, these little systems are pretty cool. Now, the runtime for these things, the runtime is probably about 5 to 6 hours, which is pretty nice. The distance away, I think it's about 70 to 50 meters. Now, that's pretty far away. Once again, I'm not gonna be that far away. If you watch any of my shows, I'm not that, any of my videos, I'm not that far away from my model. So, to me, that's not gonna be a problem. Because, you know, for so far so good of what I do is good for what I do. Now, if you need somebody that needs some distance, then these ain't gonna be for you. Probably go for the Go Wireless 2. Also, these don't come with onboard recording systems like the Rogo 2. So if that's something that you want to use for the Rogo Wireless 2s, then I would suggest to go ahead and go to get that system, because these don't have onboard recording. All right, so what I'm gonna do is show you some footage right now, some behind the scenes footage of me just doing my regular videos as I always normally do, so you can just get the mic quality of it. Now, I also have my Tascam connected too, because that's what I always use beforehand. So I'm gonna switch it back and forth and just let you hear the audio. So she came back again and came out here and helped me out again. I am actually doing some testing. I'm gonna do a little bit further testing on some microphones that I got sent out to me, but that's gonna be a more in-depth review coming up very soon. So Cindy, how did you come out and enjoy working with me again?
I had a great time, cold and all.
Cold
we did it.
and all. It makes this really budget friendly, honestly, let me go ahead and put this down, is all the accessories. Like, it's all the accessories, to be honest with you. Like, I'm gonna put all this on the table. It's really all the accessories that you get, which make this system very, very enticing. And it makes it a steal. If you're first starting out, if you want a good budget required, you got good audio, and you get everything that you need instead of have to go out and buy separate stuff, get the Godox. It's cheaper, it sounds good, and it's a good system. Now, if you need something that you're gonna be far off the way, that you need more distance, then yeah, get the Rogo Wireless 2. Now, if it's something that you need, if your onboard recording is important to you, that you feel like everything's gonna be instructive, where it's gonna be messing up your audio, and then you have the onboard recording for a safety net, then get the Rogo 2. But for what I do, and for what I do on my channel here, the Godox is more than efficient enough for me. And I absolutely love all the accessories that it came with. And it's just really, really neat. Once again, let me go back to this, the magnet thing. I didn't tell you about the magnets. Well, I know the DJI got theirs, but Godox did it first. And this is absolutely awesome, because now I'm able to put this right on my model now, have it tuck it right underneath their show. I mean, not the show, but the shirt or whatever. And then you just clip it on, magnetize it, and it's hidden now. So this is what's really, really neat. I'm glad that Godox implemented this first, because this is one of the first systems I've seen that had this on there, and I really, really enjoyed that. Just to clip it on there, just keep it on there. But the only thing I don't like about it are the dead cats. The dead cats are freaking huge. This is a down for me. I just don't like these dead cats. They're too freaking big. I don't like them at all. The only thing I really say is I can probably give it a haircut, as you can see right here. Like, I just don't like them at all. They're just too big. I don't like them. Once again, you have to use them, because if not, you're gonna pick up a bunch of ruffling noise. So you gotta use them if you're gonna put it on your model and tuck it underneath some shirt. You gotta use this dead cat so you won't get the ruffling noise of your shirt. So, but once again, that's easily fixed by just giving this thing a haircut. I'm gonna take some scissors and just trim it off, or what the case may be. Well, once again, like I said, just for comparison purposes, again, I'm gonna put these down here for you so you can really see the system. I cut them on, because I don't think I cut them on yet, so let me cut them on. As you can see, they're paired pretty quickly. And make sure I get some distance in between so you can see them, that they pair pretty quickly. As you can see, I cut that on, it pairs pretty quickly. You cut them on, it pairs. It is, like, it's a pretty good system. Like it's pretty flawless, and for $199, you're really not beating it. And when you get close together, they unpair quick, because that's just with any transmitter. You get them that freaking close together. Of course, they are one unpair, they're just too close together, Richie. But you move them out. Once again, you see they're all unpaired. Just you move it out, and then there you go. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I know this is probably a little bit longer than 5 minutes than what I want to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this on up. Once again, I really suggest you getting these Godox system if you're looking for a wireless system, because you're really just getting a whole lot of bang for your buck with the system. So, until the next video, peace.